Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today I bring a new video about some important terms and concepts of biodiversity. Forestry, study of the development of forest. Red Data Book, a book published by IUCN in which endangered species of plants and animals have been described. MAB, Man and Biosphere Program of UNESCO. IBP, International Botanical Program. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. WWF, the World Wildlife Fund for Nature, In situ conservation, conservation of biodiversity in their natural habitat. Ex situ conservation, conservation of biodiversity outside their natural habitat. Important dates for biodiversity and its conservation. 22 March World Water Day, 22 April World Earth Day, 5 June World Environment Day, 3 October World Animal Day, 4 December World Conservation Day. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.